All right, John, so here's question number 2. It says rectangle ABCD has vertices 0, -2, 4, 0, 0, 8, and -4, 6. Graph the rectangle. Okay, so I threw all these zeros in here just to make sure that we know how to graph. It seems like when 0 is in the coordinates, we just forget the rules, right? The first coordinate is the x coordinate, left to right. The second one is the y. If it's 0, that means you don't move in that direction. So here's my polygon tool. So for A, I don't move off of the origin in the x direction, but then I go down 2. There's A. 4, 0. That means I go right 4, but then I don't go up or down. There's B. 0, 8. That means I don't go left to right, but I go up 8. There's C. And then -4, 6. Left 4, up 6. Boom. Don't forget to come back to A. And there's your rectangle. Okay. Now, the nice thing about a rectangle is that to find the area and perimeter, you just need the base and the height. Now, I know this is a slanted rectangle, but we just have to find one of the shorter sides and one of the longer sides, and then we're in business. Okay. So there is no horizontal or vertical sides to count per se, but it's not that much work. All right, so let's take a look here. So let's go after, I like alphabets, so let's go AB. Okay, so let me, again, draw this right triangle. There's the right triangle. So again, to find AB, to use the distance formula, I need to find that x change and the y change. Square them, add them, take the square root. All right, so let's do the x first. So from A, I go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from the right angle, I go 1, 2, up to B. So to find the length of AB, it's going to be 4 squared plus 2 squared under the square root. That is 16 and 4, which is 20 in the square root. That's not a perfect square. So this side is the square root of 20, which would also be this side. So we have square root of 20. And now let's find BC. I'll change my color for us. So again, I'll draw this triangle here, right triangle, right? My X is going to be here. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. My Y is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So to find, let's call it BC, right? This longer side, it's going to be 4 squared plus, sorry, the pen, 4 squared plus 8 squared. That's going to be 16 and 64. That is 80 under the square root. And that is not a perfect square, but that is the length of the longer sides. Okay, so to find the perimeter, I need 2 square root of 20s and add that to 2 square root of 80s. Because it's adding up all 4 sides, there are 2 sides that are square root of 20, 2 sides that are square root of 80. To find the area, I need to multiply the base and height. Square root of 20 times the square root of 80. And these are the 2 problems I'll type into Desmos graphing calculator. Okay, so let's do it together. Sorry about my sniffling. I don't know, woke up. Some allergies, I guess. All right, so we're going to do 2 square root of 20, arrow to the right, plus 2 square root of 80. Okay, and that would be 26.8. That's my perimeter. And now I'm going to do square root of 20, arrow to the right, times square root of 80. And that's a nice even 40. So 26.8 and 40. So in Edge Elastic, I'm going to come down here. Oh, I got ahead of myself. I didn't scroll down to show you we need the perimeter area. So the perimeter is 26.8, and the area is, oh wait, hold on, Alt-T, 40. And there you go. Okay, last video coming for the last problem.